So we'll walk you through just a few other features that you may or may not need to use, but just so that you know where they are if you do happen to need them. There is a screen here called cross-check. Now, depending on the device you are using and depending on the speed of that device and the number of runners you have in your race, this may or may not be a useful tool for you. Let me show you how it works just in case. You can tap cross-check, and what you'll see here is a list of all the bib numbers in your race. These numbers are color-coded, and if you're able to use this feature, and if it's working well on your device, then this is a nice way to figure out if there are any runners left that you should be expecting. You'll notice runners who you have recorded personally on this device are in green. Numbers that you've recorded as dropped on this device are in red. Numbers that are not expected for whatever reason, generally this means they have dropped at an earlier aid station. These will show up in black, and numbers that you should still be expecting will be blue. So you can give a quick scan through here at any point, and you can see, okay, we're still expecting whatever, 30 or 40 runners through at this time. And you'll see there are summaries of these at the bottom, and you can tap any of these to show just your expected runners, let's say, or just your dropped runners. At any point from this screen, you can tap the green button to return to your live entry screen. Of course, you'll need to be able to do that immediately if you've got some runners coming through that you need to record. Another feature that you may need to use, this utilities screen, for the most part, you will never use the change station button unless this device is finished at the station that you're at and you know what you're doing and you've been asked to change the aid station. But typically your race coordinator will do this if that needs to happen. Please don't log out at any time. Logging out might risk the inability to log back in if your data connection is weak. So please don't log out unless you've been expressly instructed to do so. This option right here, refresh data, is one that you may want to use at some point. If you have a reasonable data connection and you want to bring yourself up to date with the latest information. Let's say, again, you've got runners whose bib numbers were added late and you didn't have that data. You can click refresh data. This will go to the website and will pull the latest information about runner names and bib numbers from there.